Good day, Sir Leo Tecayos. So, I am Ian Benigam Nagura from GTF-1. So, I will discuss about water light integrity. What is water light integrity? Water light integrity refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering space that are supposed to remain dry. This involves the use of water light bulkheads, doors, hatches, valves, and whole structures designed to resist water ingress under various conditions such as rough seas, damage, or flooding. So, natay 5 importance of maintaining waterline integrity. Number 1, safety of the ship and crew. And number 2, buoyancy and stability. 3, damage control for mission readiness for naval vessels. And 5 is compliance and certification. So, what is safety of the ship? Number 1. Safety of the ship and crew. Maintaining waterline integrity helps to prevent flooding which could lead to sinking or capsizing. It is crucial during combat collision or grounding. Number 2. Buoyancy and stability. A ship must remain buoyant and stable to operate safely. Water ingress affects the vessel's center of the gravity and free surface effect, potentially making it unstable. Number 3. Damage control. Damage control in the event of hull damage. Intact waterlight compartments can localize flooding, allowing time for repair and evacuation. Number 4. Mission readiness for naval vessel. Warships depend heavily on their waterlight condition to remain operational during hostile engagements. Number 5. Compliance and certification. Maritime regulations such as SOLAS require ships to maintain specific waterlight standards to ensure seaworthiness. So, four key practice to ensure waterlight integrity. So, number 1, regular inspection and maintenance of waterlight doors, seals, and valves. 2, proper closure of all waterlight fittings during operations. 3, crew training in damage control and emergency sealing. 4, avoid authorized modification that may compromise waterlight boundaries. So, once again, I am Ian Bendigam Nagura from GTF-1, and that's all. Thank you.